Firstly, open your browser and click on the IObit link which I have provided in the description box below. And here is the Smart Defreg 6. Click here. Click on download now. The downloading has started. Now run the setup and install. Our installation is complete. Now as you can see, the product is not activated and is asking for the license code. Now what you gotta do is copy paste the license code which I have mentioned in the description box here. And click on register now. And there you have it. The Smart Defreg 6 has activated successfully. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.